Miami Beach homes are known for their bright interiors, coastal elegance, and seamless connection to the outdoors. With abundant sunshine, ocean breezes, and a strong emphasis on style, homeowners look for window solutions that enhance both beauty and performance. Custom casement windows have become a standout choice for elevating Miami Beach interiors, offering sleek design, exceptional ventilation, and personalized aesthetics that complement modern coastal living. Here's how custom casement window designs can transform interior spaces in Miami Beach homes. Expansive views that highlight coastal scenery. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their ability to offer wide, unobstructed views. Unlike windows with fixed center rails or sliding tracks, casement windows open outward from the side, allowing for larger glass panels. Custom designs can maximize ocean, skyline, or garden views, frame outdoor scenery like artwork, create a stronger visual connection to balconies and patios, make interiors feel more open and spacious. For Miami Beach homeowners, these panoramic views enhance the sense of luxury and bring the outdoors inside. Abundant natural light for brighter interiors. Natural light is a defining feature of Miami Beach interiors, and custom casement windows excel at flooding rooms with sunlight. Their large glass surface area allows daylight to pour in, brightening living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Benefits include reduced reliance on artificial lighting, brighter, more welcoming spaces, enhanced interior colors and textures, improved mood and overall comfort. Custom sizing ensures each window is tailored to the room, maximizing light without overwhelming the space. Designs that complement modern and coastal interiors. Miami Beach homes often feature clean lines, open layouts, and contemporary finishes. Custom casement windows can be designed to perfectly align with these interior styles. Popular customization options include slim, minimalist frames for a modern look, black or bronze finishes for bold contrast, white or neutral tones for coastal elegance, wood look interiors for warmth and texture. Hardware finishes and grille options can also be selected to match interior decor, creating a cohesive design throughout the home. Superior ventilation for ocean breezes. Casement windows are unmatched when it comes to ventilation. Because they open fully, they can capture and direct cooling breezes into your home, an ideal feature for Miami Beach's coastal climate. Custom casement windows allow homeowners to angle windows to catch prevailing breezes, improve airflow throughout open living spaces, reduce indoor humidity, naturally minimize reliance on air conditioning during mild weather. This natural ventilation enhances comfort while supporting energy efficiency. Energy-efficient features that protect interior comfort. Miami Beach's sun and heat require windows that perform as well as they look. Custom casement windows can be outfitted with advanced energy-efficient features that protect interiors from excessive heat and UV exposure. Options include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, impact-resistant laminated glass, tight compression seals that prevent air leaks. These upgrades help maintain consistent indoor temperatures while protecting furniture, flooring, and artwork from sun damage. Perfect solutions for unique spaces. Custom casement windows shine in areas where standard window sizes or styles fall short. Whether it's a narrow wall, corner installation, or unique architectural feature, casement windows can be tailored to fit seamlessly. They work especially well in kitchens and bathrooms, living rooms with high ceilings, bedrooms requiring privacy and airflow, corner spaces that benefit from cross ventilation. This versatility allows Miami Beach homeowners to elevate both form and function throughout their interiors. A refined upgrade that adds long-term value. Custom casement windows are not just a design upgrade, they're an investment. Their timeless appeal, durability, and energy efficiency make homes more attractive to future buyers while enhancing daily living. Elevate your Miami Beach home with custom casement windows. Custom casement window designs offer the perfect blend of elegance, functionality, and performance for Miami Beach interiors. With expansive views, abundant light, personalized finishes, and superior ventilation, they enhance the look and feel of every room. For homeowners seeking to elevate their interiors while embracing coastal living, custom casement windows are a stylish and practical choice that delivers lasting beauty and comfort.